treat yourself to a test drive in the 2012 Toyota 4Runner. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 4-liter 6-cylinder engine, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a trip computer, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, skid plates, and power windows. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.